And if it were a swarm cell,
Is there one of
so
those?
here, look, see that's honey right here. See it?
Is it capped?
Yeah, it's capped right here.
Gotcha, okay. Wow.
Not much honey on that.
No, that was a brood.
So will you wait
amount.
for that entire frame
When the
to be
brood
covered
hatched
before you
out,
process it?
then
No, this is supposed to be in the bee's home.
Oh, okay.
In the brood nest.
Gotcha.
And see, I put a frame in here the other day to take place. That frame was missing. And see, they're just now starting to draw it out.
Wow, that's neat.
Yeah. You can pass this around.
You want to have your gloves inside because they'll like
Oh,
climb up
okay.
in there.
Those are
You
drone
mess
cells
around, you
right
squish
here.
them, and then it will sting the heck out of you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, now, see here's some queen cells on the bottom here. I don't think she's laid in them yet, though.
So is that a bad sign?
That's a sign that
We're fixing the swarm.
Split.
here's another one that's starting right here.
After they start building those queen cells, is that an indication they're going to swarm?
Yes, very
Isn't
good.
that one here too?
Yeah, oh, they will build up 2 or 3 dozen of them.
And they will, how long after they start building those before you think they will swarm?
The first pretty day after they cap that cell, and it takes 7 days for they to cap a queen cell. That's how long it's a larva, 7 days in the first.
So if when you're making a split, you take that
Yes,
frame when they've capped it in that 7 days and you move it, that's when you make your split.